Hi everyone. In this video, we going to discuss about one of the very important lesson, that is globalization. In this lesson, some of the very important aspects like characteristics of globalization and some of the important advantages of globalization and disadvantages of globalization, all these we going to discuss. So let's start. The first concept is the characteristics of globalization. What are the characteristics? First one, it increases international trade. The globalization, it involved the increase of international trade. International flow of capital it involves, and it creates international agreements between two countries and more countries. The development of global finance system increase the role of WTO, IMF and WIPO. It involves outsourcing by multinational companies to other countries. It has a cultural exchange between two countries. It is a multiculturalization and diversity. The development of telecommunication and border data flow. The use of technology, internet, satellites and cell phone, the globalization involves. The next concept is advantages of globalization. Many times asked this question in board exam for 3 and 4 marks as well. The first one, it promotes economic growth and generate more production. One of the important advantage. It increased the standard of living. It made available of similar type of goods. The globalization increased the GDP, gross domestic production. It increased in income of the people. Customers are offered much choice of goods because of globalization. Keep the cost down due to competition. It promotes specialization and best at making the quality. It can improve the political and social link between global nations. Next concept is disadvantages of globalization. The negative points of globalization. One is, what happened due to globalization? It has one more dark face. Developed countries outsource the manufacture of goods and white collar jobs to third world, where there is labor cost is low. It leads to child labor, and it resulted in unethical practices in trade like smuggling. It helped terrorists and criminals as well due to the wide range of use of internet and telecommunication. Increase the garbage dumps, pollution sky high. Consuming more junk foods like McDonald's, KFC, that results in health degradation and spread of diseases. Because of this, traditional family food habits slowly disappearing, and deadly viral diseases spread all over the world very easily, like AIDS, cancer, dengue, and best example, current example, that is corona. Environmental degradation happening due to industrialization, pollution, dumping the waste and garbage. Cheap imports of goods from developing countries, that leads to unemployment in developed countries where production cost is high and outsourcing. The competition for infant industry It happening because of globalization and small scale industry unable to compete with global companies.